Jesus Christ. What? Turning a woman into a goat? Young man, stop there.
Officer, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
This goat. I said this goat is very strong.
This is why it is dragging with you. This is not a goat, madam.
Which one is it? I don't understand.
This is a woman.
Sir, like, have you eaten? Are you sure you've eaten?
How dare you put your fingers on my face?
I don't understand. You're seeing a full goat. You're saying he's a human.
Then why is the goat dragging with you?
Because he's a goat.
Madam, I saw it clearly when you're coming. I was seeing a little boy on your hand. He's turning into a goat and a human. Now you're telling me he's a goat?
Sorry to say this, sir. I don't want to be rude, but I think that Gary you've been taking is not good for you. Please, just at least.
Hey, I will not wait here and see you insult me again. Any insult from you, you see what I will do to you.
No, I don't understand, sir. Why would you see a full goat? Goat. You're seeing a goat. You are saying he's a human. How? It's misbehaving because he's a goat. He's an animal.
Let me tell you something. Spiritually, I'm stronger than you, and physically, I'm also stronger than you. Better tell me, what is this you're carrying now?
Sir, I have no business with your spiritual whatever. I don't know. So, please, sir, I have to go. I have somewhere I want to go.
You think if you move, I'll hit you this?
Sir, you want to hit?
What is the problem?
Why now? For what? For what reason? Why do you want to hit this thing on me?
You don't want to talk? Start talking now.
Sir, please. Please, I'm begging you.
Madam,
everything.
Hey, start talking. What is this?
Sir, it's a goat now.
It's a goat, right? By the time I hit this on you, you talk.
Sir, I'm a lady. Why would you do this to me?
You are a lady and you're doing this act?
You are embarrassing me.
I'm embarrassing you, right? Okay, this is fine. You said it's a goat, right?
Yes, it's a goat.
Let's go to the station and then let's settle this. Since
Hey,
let's go. Bring the goat along.
Wait, sir.
Bring the goat along.
Wait, sir.
I can bring it. Bring the goat along.
I will talk.
You said it's a goat, right? It's what? It's what?
Human.
I'll talk. It's what?
Human.
You think I'm joking here? You're turning the woman into a goat? You think I'm joking?
No, sir.
Now revive that person now.
That slap.
Has anybody guessed it? I'll give you another one.
Please, okay.
Undo what you've done. Jesus Christ. Come here. Little boy, come here. Come here. Do you know her?
No, sir.
You don't know her, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what you did, right? Now, hey, I don't know you. Do you know your house?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, we are going to the station then. After then, I will take you home. Madam, I don't want to force you. To the front. Move it. To the front. Hey, to the front. If you run, I'll hit you this.
No.
I'm smart. I'm smarter than you, Aya. To the front. I said, move it. Move it.